When you're looking to hang a slightly larger project, something, much bigger than your hand, or if you would like to utilize something for a little bit more of a decorative look, hooks and hangers are the way to go for stained glass. This is a smaller project, but I liked the look of the decorative element that this added, kind of viney kind of situation going on with this pumpkin. The reason that you want to use hooks and hangers instead of a traditional jump ring in something that is larger is because hooks and hangers have tails, and those tails are then embedded within your solder. That is going to lend strength and durability to your piece because all of the weight is hanging off of these little spots right here. You can use a jump ring for this situation, but I would always prefer to over-engineer a little bit than under-engineer. So to make them, you're simply going to need a rosary pliers, a wire cutter, and a spool or some zinc coated steel wire. Zinc itself is softer than copper, and your traditional jump rings are made out of copper. However, zinc coated steel is much stronger. The way that we solder in stained glass doesn't stick to steel, but it does still stick to the zinc, so that's why you get the zinc coated steel. Rosary pliers, or also known as round nose pliers, they are totally smooth all the way around, so they won't put any like funky kinks or little divots or scratches or whatever in your piece of wire, so that's why you want to use these. So in order to make this, we're going to do a round one first, and you want to get your wire so it's not sticking out too much past the end of your jaws here. If you have it like this, it's going to be like and it's going to stick in weird. You'll see what I'm talking about as soon as I start going. So here we go. You want to start to do a slight curve, and then you're going to work your pliers around the wire like this to make a circle. If you want to, so that it fits nicely on your piece and hangs directly up, you can do another little kink this way, and ta-da! That's one way to do it. We also have swirly twirly guys. If you want to make a swirly twirly guy, this is also a rosary pliers. It's just much smaller, and it really comes down to what's most comfortable for you in your hand. And we're going to do it again, but this time we're going to make those little movements a lot tighter. Ta-da! Now we have a swirl. There's a wide variety of different shapes and stuff that you can make. You could make it in bend it in a hook shape. You could even bend it in like a triangular shape, whatever you want. It's your art. But overall, you're going to want to use your hooks and your hangers in the larger projects for strength and durability. Subscribe to learn more about stained glass with me. Peace, love, and stained glass. Bye!